put your breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him, yeah. Next time you know the truth, I think he's just the man for you, yeah.
Welcome to a brand new vlog. I'm just here to introduce this vlog. How are you guys doing? If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Wendy. Consider subscribing to the channel, okay? Actually, just subscribe. You're here already. You're gonna have a good time, okay? So I am actually just here to yap and let you guys know that you might wake up tomorrow and click on my channel and see that I have cut this hair out of anger and spite, because it's been since they gave birth to me, actually, since I became a teenager and then now an adult. This hair has never grown past what it is right now. It is not healthy, it is not strong, it is everything you think a bad hair should be. That's how I describe my hair. The front terrible. Like, my front hair is so bad, my back hair too is so bad, so like I only have hair in the middle, and then the hair in the middle is very thin and then it breaks very easily. So how do we explain this? Anyway, I need to get my hair done. That's the most important thing right now, because I cannot keep combing it. Like, combing itself is a different ball game, because what am I combing? What exactly am I combing? I need to get my hair done right now, and I'm turning between making packing gel and getting sewing. I already know what you want to see. Keep it to yourself. Yes, I know that packing gel cuts my hair. I'm aware. I know. Hold your peace. I know. But the heart wants what it wants.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and it turn that look to red. Come make us love you, hold you for life.
Welcome to Nigeria, guys.
Where's my lunch?
Hi guys, good morning. I'm just here to show off. I am here to show you guys my hair. It's a bit scattered because obviously I've slept on it, so yeah, I am getting dressed for the gym. Was new. I hope I have fun today, Sha. Fun with the workout, fun with my friend. Yeah, but yeah, I really like the hair. I really love it. It looks so good, and packing gel fits me all the time. I'm just like trying to forget the fact that my front hair is probably crying, but I won't carry for long. Maybe like 1 week plus, and then I'll have it out. But yeah, this is all I use for skincare to the gym. I used to do like almost everything before, but now like I literally go there, sweat, come back home and wash off products that are so expensive. So I only use my sunscreen now. Sunscreen and I'm out the door. Okay, actually cleanse. So I wash my face, cleanse, and then sunscreen. That's it.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I love you like this, not the best idea. Here's no
I pray for it not to fall. You know it's iPhone, right?
Here's
that made okra is a good God. I think I should talk to you guys here before I go upstairs. So while I was at the gym, I was just craving swallow. Like, how can somebody be in the gym working out and yet craving food, proper food? Anyway, yeah, satisfied my cravings. And then okra and fresh fish. Oh Jesus. Oh, water is full. I have to go. All right, what was I saying? I was talking to you guys about how I was craving okra. Like, I was craving soup so bad. I think I'll just, because this vlog is supposed to go up tomorrow. I'm so tired of editing, but yikes, we can't stop now. I feel like I'm screaming because my ears are plugged. Yes, I'm screaming. Okay, I think I would end this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't do much, but I think I did like a little bit of activities here and there. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower now, sleep a bit, wake up, then start editing, maybe watch a movie later. Just, you know, spend my day with myself without the camera. Yeah, because I'm vlogging a lot, so it's like I don't have my life anymore. But yeah, we'll talk later, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you watched up until this point, I don't take your love and support for granted. I hope you enjoyed it. New to the channel, you're welcome. I promise you're gonna have a good time, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys later in the next one.